Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Eileen and welcome to the wigs I wore in January. I can't believe we're here already at the end of the month of January. It's amazing. But if you're new to my channel, first of all, welcome. I'm glad you're here. Please subscribe. And every month I have a look and show you a few of the wigs I wore in the previous month. Now this is not a wig review. I've already reviewed all these wigs. If you want to see the full review, just go to the search bar on my channel, enter the name of the wig, and the review will come up. But I've already reviewed these, so we're not going to do all that. This is just a quick overview of some of the wigs I wore. There are a lot of new styles because we had a lot of new styles come out from Beltress this month, and I have some of those. I have some older styles too, but mainly, so I got a little mixture of the old and the new, so I thought that would be fun. So we're going to look at all those. Now, some of these I purchased with my own funds, and some of these were sent to me for previous review, but they are all from Wig Studio 1, of course. All right, so let's get started and look at some of the wigs I wore in January. All right, let's start it off. Raquel Welch, Star Quality. This color is Glazed Fire. You know, I've been telling you, I'm wearing all kinds of styles, all kinds of colors, but you know, I love my Raquel Welch reds. This one I wore in a ponytail this month. This goes perfect in a low ponytail. So if you're looking for a style that you want to wear in a ponytail, this is great for that. This color, Glazed Fire, I think is just amazing. I'll show you the cap really quickly. It has a temple to temple lace front and a mono part. Like I said, I'm not going through the whole thing. I've already done all that. I just like to give you a quick overview. And also this one is really quite large on me, if that means anything to you. I have a 21¼ inch head circumference, and this one I feel like is pretty large. Okay, so that is Star Quality. All right, this is Beltress Mara. Of course, it's heat-friendly fibers. This color is Pumpkin Pie Spice R. It's from the Luxe collection. This is beautiful. You know, this Luxe collection. Now, first of all, I'm going to be upfront with you and tell you these are pricey wigs. This Luxe collection is not inexpensive. And as if we've talked about on this channel many times, you know, everyone's budget's differently. I'm just showing you the wigs, but absolutely, it's not lost on me that these are expensive wigs in this Luxe collection. This color is so pretty. Again, Raquel Welch and Beltress, I think, make the most beautiful red shades. This has a lovely shape, the way it's a little longer in the front, but it's not overdone. You know how some of them are very severe, where the front is very long. This is not. This is more of a gradual, and I think it makes it really wearable. I just want to show you the inside of the cap. Like I said, this Luxe collection is gorgeous. It has a big full mono, and the lace front goes all the way down here into the ear tabs, silicone ear tabs, fully hand-tied cap. It has this little, it's an extended nape, but it's not a huge extended nape, but hand-tied cap. They did a beautiful job on this Luxe collection, no doubt about that. All of the Luxe collection was large on me. I want to make sure you know that. Again, I have a 21¼ inch head circumference, and every one that I've had so far, now I haven't had them all, but the ones I have had have been large. All right, this is a special wig. This is the Eileene wig from Wig Studio 1, their push hair line of wigs. And of course, I'm just so honored that they named this for me. But I wanted to show you, now I added the curl to this wig. If you saw my video, you know this wig comes board straight. I added this curl. I have a video showing exactly how I did it. It took me about 10 minutes to add this wave. I just wanted a soft wave into it. But this is a gorgeous wig. This is 100% Remy European human hair. Just beautiful. This color is Brûlée Doré. And let me show you all sides of this. Very easy to add the curl to, like I said, but I want to show you this cap. This is gorgeous. fully customizable lace front. Now I have trimmed my lace front. Extended lace front. It has clips. You do not have to use those clips. You can take them out. I don't use them, but I just left mine in. Has a silk top. Looks like scalp anywhere you part this. Hand-tied cap. Extended nape. I'm not going through that all again. Like I said, I have a video on it, but I just had to show you the inside of this beautiful Eileene wig. All right, this is Beltress Peppermint. This is the hand-tied version, Butterbeer Blonde. This continues to be a bestseller for Beltress, and you know, you can see why. Low density, nice longer style, Butterbeer Blonde, such a gorgeous color. Lots of movement here. You know, Peppermint has been around a long time. I think it's going to continue to be around a long time. It's just so wearable. It has a mono top, fully hand-tied cap, like I said, extended lace front, silicone ear tabs, non-extended nape. But look at this. That cap is gorgeous. So yeah, I think Peppermint is a winner. It kind of has all these layers, kind of choppy, trendy, but not too trendy. Okay, this is another brand new style. This is called Amaly. It is again one of the new push hair wigs from Wig Studio 1. Look at this beautiful packaging. Now, Wig Studio 1 partnered with Beltress to bring you these exclusive styles in 10 of the most popular Beltress colors. This is Brown Sugar Sweet Cream, which is, of course, one of Beltress' beautiful, beautiful colors. Look at this lob. Look at how pretty the silhouette of this wig is. I think they hit a home run with this. Just such a beautiful, low density, easy to wear style. Amaly from Push Hair. Now this has a full mono top, extended lace front, and like I said, in 10 of the Beltress most popular colors, Brown Sugar Sweet Cream. Perfect. Okay, another classic, but the new one. This is Raquel Welch Straight Up with a Twist Elite. And the color is, of course, my favorite, Shaded Biscuit. I'm so glad, so glad that Raquel Welch brought Straight Up with a Twist in the Elite version. Low density, a style we've known and loved forever, but now with that extra twist with an Elite version. I just don't think you'll ever go wrong with Straight Up with a Twist. It's just a bestseller for a reason. Let me show you now this gorgeous cap. Look at this large mono top, extended lace front. Now, this is not fully hand-tied. This is a partially hand-tied cap because it is wefted here in the back, as you see. This is hand-tied, but there is covered wefting here, so that's partially hand-tied. But look at this cap. It's beautiful. It makes all the difference. It just lies so beautifully in low density. Straight Up with a Twist Elite in Shaded Biscuit. Okay, Beltress, this is Mataco. You know, they came out with the City Collection and the Luxe Collection. This is part of the City Collection. Mataco in Caramel Blonde Rooted. Caramel Blonde Rooted is such a pretty color, isn't it? Has a lot of dimension in this style, in this color. I love the highlights here. The rooting's not overdone at all. Nice shape, nice length with these face framing layers. This is a very, very nice wig. All these Beltress wigs are nice, right? This one has a mono part and an extended lace front. Again, this is part of the City Collection. I found, as you can see, I took this in, I found both the City Collection and the Luxe Collection large on me. So these definitely, I believe, will stretch up to around a 22. Caramel Blonde Rooted. All right, another new style. This was one of my favorites. This is the Luxe Collection, Beltress. This is Vanetta and Burnt Biscuit Blonde R. I really Really like this color. It has a lot of ash in it, and I tend to gravitate towards those colors that have a lot of ash in it. And I think they did a beautiful job on this. Look at these different blonde shades running through here. A lot of ash. There's some platinum. Very close to shaded biscuit. I like the flippy ends. I'm all about a wig with flippy ends. But you know, these are heat-friendly fibers, so you could easily use a hot tool and just roll these under if you would like. Gorgeous job around the face of this. Vanetta, I think, is so, so pretty. Okay. Now, this one is not fully hand-tied either. And this is part of the Luxe collection. Sure you see that. And but this one definitely has some wefting right at the bottom. Hand tied, all this is hand tied, but there's some covered wefting right there. So I just want to bring that to your attention on this particular wig. It has a monotop down into the silicone on the ear tabs. I just wanted to show you that about the wefting on this wig. But wow, this color, burnt biscuit blonde R. If you like colors that have a lot of ash in them, check out this color. All right, another new style. We had so many fun new styles this month. This is Beltress Newport. Again, part of the City collection in Raw Sugar Blonde R. Another color I had not tried. So I was excited to try some of these new blondes this month. I think this one, again, I thought all of the blondes were beautiful. They're similar. They're all similar to me. The blondes that I have tried were similar, but yeah, just enough difference to just a little difference. Nothing drastic. This one to me keeps true to Beltress with their beachy wave. You know, I always can count on Beltress to give me a good beachy wave style, and this one certainly is. All of these are low density. I think they're all wearable. I think they're going to be super popular. Again, this is Newport, and it has, like the City collection does, the extended lace front and mono part. Again, really large on me. You can see where I had to take it up. Raw Sugar Blonde R. Wow, this color is so pretty. Beltress just knows how to make these beautiful colors. All right, last one. And I saved the one I think my favorite for the last. This is part of the City collection again from Beltress. This is Santa Monica, and this color is Milkshake Blonde Rooted. Another one of the blondes. I thought this was amazing. I love the blunt cut of this, the movement of this, the low density of this. There's nothing about this I don't like. I really do. I think it's trendy. Again, not too trendy. I think anyone can wear it. Y'all don't let anybody tell you what to wear. Wear what you love. Wear what makes you feel beautiful. I will always wear what I want to wear. If someone doesn't like it, that's okay. They don't have to wear it. But I'm going to wear it. If I like it, I'm going to wear it. I love the movement of this. I think the choppy ends, like I said, this one I got excited about because I thought it's different than anything I really have. This color, Milkshake Blonde Rooted, is gorgeous. It has a lot of ash in it, which I love. So I felt like this hit a home run for sure. I'm definitely going to get this in a red. Definitely. Again, part of the City collection. Lace front, mono part, the same thing we've been seeing on the others. But all with this super straight, blunt ends. I love it so much. I really do. I really, really like this wig. And like I said, I would just encourage you to try some of these if you haven't already. Again, I know they're pricey. Now, the City collection is not as expensive as the Luxe, of course, because this is open wefted, where the Luxe has that fully hand-tied cap. So, you know, this one's a little less expensive, and I just think it's so cute. Okay, guys, that's what I got. Thanks for joining me today and looking at some of these beautiful wigs, a few older styles, but mostly new styles. Leave me lots of comments. I'll see you next time.